I'm gonna show you how to use the new bus system in Bali, including how to use the app and how to pay. So stay tuned till the end. I'll give you a quick review, and here's a quick tour of the bus. We had the whole bus to ourselves on one of the trips. At the moment it was early, so not a lot of people was using the bus, and you enter from the front and you can only exit through the back. You may bring extra luggage, but there is no luggage compartment under the bus since there's a 100-liter tank under the bus. This bus is insane. We had the whole bus to ourselves, but most of the time you wouldn't. It's because it's really early and not a lot of people go to Sanur in the morning. They probably go like 4 till 6 a.m., 6 p.m. So just keep an eye on the time, see where's the most traffic. Okay, so this is the next stop, Sanur. There's like speakers everywhere. They know what they're saying. There's a screen there saying what halt and what stop it is. So it's really organized, very clean, sanitized. It smells nice too, right? It doesn't smell like smelly armpits. No cigarettes. It's just so clean. Smells so fresh. The seats are incredibly clean, surprising, and comfortable too. So first things first is to download the app. It's called Teman. The app is available on Android and iOS. After downloading the app, you want to open the app and log in. Or if you haven't had an account yet, you can make one. I don't think you would need an Indonesian number. You could just use your email address. I don't know if you can log in as a guest or not because I already logged in. So you want to pick a city and then press Peta Jaringan. For the app alone, at the time of the recording, there's no English version. It's all in Indonesian at the moment. So if you are having trouble with translations, you could ask a local to help you out. You don't really need the app to use the bus. It's just to guide you on whereabouts it is. So this version of the map is just a simplified version. It is not the official, it's kind of simplified and it's not the right ratio. If you want to go to the better map where it shows you exactly the lines, you can press on Jadwal and you can see the exact roads and where all the stops are. It shows you your location and the nearest bus stop to you. So all the lines are different colors and those are going to different areas. So a green lane would not go to a certain area like Ubud. To go to the Ubud one, you would want to go to the purple one. Yeah, so that's all you need. At the moment there is no English version, so once again you can ask for a local. So after knowing where you're going and where is the nearest bus stop to you, you would need to know how to pay. And the only way to pay using the bus is the card. And at the time of this recording, it is still free, but they would still require you to scan the card so that they know how many people and how to use the card. So if you want the card, you need to go to Indomart. And at the time of this recording, there's two types of card that I know of. Is the flash card and the e-money you can get from Indomart. And when you're buying, the minimal top up is 50,000 and a 20,000 top up fee. The top up fee only counts as once because that's the price of the card itself. If you guys have any further questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll answer it. The operating time is 5 to 9:30 p.m. so just watch out for your time there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you want to use the bus and hopefully you understand how to use the bus. If you have any questions, make sure you just comment down below. I will answer all your questions. Go follow James, links in the description. Make sure you subscribe, like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace. How's the private bus, bro?
Private bus is good. You can sleep in it too.
After recording 2 videos, a full day, 9 hours, we're hella exhausted. This is an insane bus.